How to create community group in WhatsApp Business. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can easily create a community group on the WhatsApp Business app. But before getting started, don't forget to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. So the very first thing that you need to do is open up your WhatsApp Business app and make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you do so, all you have to do is head over to the three lines at the top right corner, and then here you will see communities. So if you already have a group in mind that you want to add on your community, then that's great. Or you can just create a new group for your community. So just tap on communities, and here you will see a list for your group. Now, if you want to add other groups, so just tap on view all, and here you have an option to add groups, so just tap on it. So now what you want to do is go ahead and create a new group. So just tap on it. You can add a group name right here. You can also add a group photo by tapping on the camera icon, or you can just choose from your gallery. You can add a short description for your group. So for example, if your group is for business, you can add a description of your business here, and you can add group visibility and then permissions. And if you already have few members in mind, you can add them from here. And once everything is done, tap on this create button, and then you should be good to go. That's pretty much it. I'll see you guys on the next one.